When your car has a blind spot, you may have a harder time being able to see possible dangers while driving. While looking to change lanes on the freeway, your blind spot may hinder you from seeing a vehicle next to you. As a result, you may end up causing an accident if you try to merge without seeing the vehicle. There are many factors that can create or contribute to a blind spot. In some cases, it's simply the vehicle's design that causes a blind spot. A headrest may get in the way of the driver seeing out of a rear window. Passengers can also create blind spots, especially in smaller cars. Identifying your own blind spots when driving is a must. When driving, make a note as you see any vehicles coming up from the left lane to pass you. As soon as you can no longer see the car in your rear or side view mirror, you should be able to see it in your peripheral vision. If not, then the gap between the two is where your vehicle's blind spot occurs. Stay safe with a blind spot mirror or blind spot sensor. A mirror can easily be installed on any existing vehicle, so it's something to consider if your car has a blind spot. Many newer vehicles these days also come with blind spot sensors. When detecting an object in your blind spot, a light will illuminate on your dashboard, on the side view mirror itself, or both. Of course, it's important to remember that blind spot mirrors and sensors are still not a replacement for being diligent and checking your surroundings. Check your auto insurance coverage with Pretected.com and make sure you have the protection you need in the event of an accident, because you never know. Pretected.